Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to go over the Spanish numbers 620 to 629 or los números del 620 al 629. We're going to learn how to write it and pronounce it. The first number you see in front of you is 620. 620 is written like this in Spanish and it's pronounced Seiscientos, 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 Seiscientos. The next number is 621. 621 is written like this in Spanish and it's pronounced Seiscientos, Seiscientos. The next number is 622. 622 is written like this in Spanish and it has a cap, an accent mark, a small hat, or whatever you want to call it, on the last O of the second word. Remember that when you're writing it. So, how do you pronounce this number? Well, 622 is pronounced Seiscientos. The next number is 623. 623 is written like this in Spanish, pronounced Seiscientos. If you haven't noticed, this number also has a cap or a hat or an accent mark on top of the E. It is in the last E of the second word. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is 624. 624 is written like this in Spanish, and it is pronounced Seiscientos. The next number, 625. 625 is written like this in Spanish, and it's pronounced Seiscientos. The next number, 626. 626 is written like this in Spanish, and as you can see also, it has a small hat on top of the last E in the second word, or accent mark, or cap. So how do we pronounce this number? It's Seiscientos. The next number, 627. 627 is written like this in Spanish, and it is pronounced Seiscientos. The next number, 628. 628 is written like this in Spanish, pronounced Seiscientos. The next number is 629, and it's the last number in this video. Today, it is written like this in Spanish, and it is pronounced Seiscientos. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this ends our video. Remember, you had issues remembering how to write the number as well as pronouncing the number in Spanish. Please stop, rewind, and replay over and over again until you're able to understand how to write and pronounce the number. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.